Welcome to Order Printer Auto, professional order documents for Shopify. In about 4 minutes, you will see merchant onboarding, core admin features, and the customer-facing download experience. Install from Shopify Admin, Apps, Order Printer Auto, and approve access to orders and related data. The embedded app opens inside Admin with Home, Plans, Documents, App Settings, and Help. After install, the Home dashboard shows your current plan, monthly usage, and quick paths into Documents and Automation. New merchants start on free with up to 50 orders each month. In Documents, generate invoices from a Shopify Order ID preview, download, print, or email manually. Free includes invoices, packing slips, receipts, credit notes, and return forms with click-to-edit text. Create packing slips for fulfillment and receipts for order summaries. Batch print or download within your plan limit. Custom invoice numbering and draft order templates are available from day one. Templates let you brand documents without code. On Basic and above, switch multi-language layouts and multi-currency invoices. Growth unlocks the Pro template library with visual drag-and-drop edits. Automation on Basic and higher auto emails invoices by your rules, and can send packing slips after fulfillment. Growth adds Dropbox, Google Drive, or FTP backup, plus quotes, payment links, and advanced credit notes. Customer experience. On Growth, buyers can download invoices on the order success page and again from their account history. That reduces support tickets asking for copies of invoices. Plans, free forever for light volume, Basic at $9.99 with a 7-day trial for AutoSend, Growth at $19.99 for cloud and touchpoints, and Enterprise for multi-store scale and dedicated support. That is Order Printer Auto. Install, generate documents, automate delivery, and give customers self-serve downloads. Open help for docs or plans to start a trial. Thank you for watching.